This is Frankie MacDonald, my own TV station, live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major Snowstorm is headed towards Vancouver, British Columbia on Saturday, February 25th, 2023. During evening hours, it's going to bring up to 15 to 20 centimeters of snow. There'll be a lot of snow, pretty strong winds. There'll be a lot of snow in Vancouver, British Columbia, Fraser Valley, British Columbia, Burnaby, British Columbia, Surrey, British Columbia, Chilliwack, Abbotsford, Hope, British Columbia. It's going to bring dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Streets, roads, highways, and Trans-Canada Highway will be snow covered in Vancouver, British Columbia, and the surrounding areas as well. For people living in Vancouver and Fraser Valley and surrounding areas, including Whistler, British Columbia as well. People in Vancouver, British Columbia, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Have your hats ready. Have your gloves ready. Have your scarves ready. Have your ski pants ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Make sure of your smartphones, cell phones, laptops, tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE Internet Ready as well. When you're driving the car, take your time driving the car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip and fall. Have your furnaces ready and turn on your furnaces and heat pumps to keep the house warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm. So make sure of your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, snow plows, salt trucks ready as well. If you have anybody living in Vancouver, British Columbia, be prepared for major snowstorm on Saturday, February 25th, 2023. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in the heavy snow. Stay warm, be safe.